This yogurt flan couldn't be easier. It only takes 5 minutes to prep and uses just 4 ingredients. Look how easy it is. There are very few recipes simpler than this one. And the result, wow. There you have it. Creamy, spectacular. Look at how the knife slides through. What a real wonder. And the piece, the serving. Here you can see it. So you have to make this recipe. It's really worth it. And it goes a long way. You can get 8 or 10 servings out of it without any problem. Look at the little spoon. Look at that sin. What a wonder. You're gonna love it. Make it, man. Today we're bringing you one of the easiest desserts in the world. You only need 2 yogurts and a few other things. The kind you already have at home. Don't worry. There aren't any weird ingredients. It's so easy that you don't even need an oven, gelatin, grenadine, or anything like that. I'm Vidi, this is Grandma's Kitchen. Let's get started. Stick around because I'm going to share a few tips to make it perfect. First ingredient, 2 yogurts. I use Greek yogurt because I like it better, and sweetened because I like it really sweet. Just whisk them. With Greek yogurt, it only takes a little time. If you're using regular yogurt, give it about 20 seconds. You'll have them super creamy in no time. Next ingredient. Next, 50 grams of cornstarch, which is about 4 tablespoons. And we're going to mix it in while everything is cold, because that's how cornstarch dissolves much better. Cornstarch. We're also going to add a sweet touch with 60 grams, which is about 5 tablespoons of sugar. We'll pour it in here as well and mix it with the rest. Of course, you can use any type of artificial sweetener. There's no problem with that here. No problem. Let's go. We need milk, 500 milliliters, so it turns out perfect. We add it in without stopping stirring with our manual whisk, and soon we'll have 90% of the dish done. It's that easy. Today's question for the audience: do you know any dessert that's even easier than this one? I don't think so, but if you do, let me know in the comments and I'll definitely make it because I love easy recipes. With the mixture well dissolved, transfer it to a saucepan or pot and pour it in carefully so we don't spill it everywhere. And once you have it in there, put it over medium heat until it thickens, stirring constantly. First tip, grease the mold so it doesn't stick. In my case, I'm going to use caramel, which I think works really well. If you don't have caramel, you can grease the mold with a little butter or a bit of sunflower oil. Or olive oil, and it'll turn out perfect too. That's the first little trick. We take advantage of the first 20 seconds while the milk is heating to prepare our mold with a little bit of caramel. Using store-bought caramel so I don't get burned. If you want homemade, you know how. 1 or 2 cups of sugar, 3 tablespoons of water, and wait for it to melt. Now back to the saucepan. Don't forget to stir and use a spatula so too much air doesn't get in. Second little trick, this one is about making the mixture. It can't be too runny, and it can't be too thick either. So pay attention to the screen and don't forget to always stir with a kitchen spatula. We don't want bubbles. The fewer bubbles, the better it will turn out. I've been here for about 4 minutes and you can see how creamy it is. That's exactly how we want it. Remove it from the heat and pour into a mold coated with caramel. This already looks spectacular, and soon it will be one of those desserts you won't be able to stop making at home because it's so easy and delicious. Third trick, the little shake. If you tap it a few times once it's in the mold, you'll make sure there are no air bubbles in the mixture. Your flan will turn out more compact and tastier. Let's go, a few shakes. Why? Because that way, we break them up. Any possible air bubbles left in our mold will disappear. The flan will be denser. It will be perfect. It will be better. Into the fridge for at least 4 hours. But I'm telling you, if you leave it longer, it's fine. A tip for everyone. Now that you have the dessert ready to chill, let it sit out for a bit before putting it in the fridge. You don't want to damage your fridge with the heat from your dessert. You know, you have to use your head. I kept the flan in the fridge for 12 hours overnight, and you'll see now how well it comes out of the mold, see? I put it down, flip it over, some of the caramel spilled out. I used the wrong plate because it's too small, but you can see how well it comes out of the mold. I think I'm going to move it to a flat tray after showing it to you, just in case it breaks. You have to use your head, see? It looks really good. But on a flat tray, it's gonna look much better. If you've made it this far, it means you're enjoying the video, so don't leave without subscribing, and especially without turning on the bell so you get notified of all my updates, and see when I upload a video so you don't miss them. Also, you can give me, or you should give me, a super like. Hit the like button down below because it helps me a lot. It doesn't cost you anything, and it helps me keep uploading free content like I do every week. At least a couple of videos. Come on, buddy, I see you, and you haven't clicked yet. Go ahead and do it. And you who aren't subscribed yet, too, go ahead and do it. Come on. Well, with very little effort and just using your hand a bit, why would I lie to you? I've already put it in this little tray that fits it perfectly, and that's it. To the table. There you have your yogurt flan prepared in 5 minutes. Just 5 minutes of work, no oven, with 4 ingredients, and it looks as amazing as you see in the picture. Also, it keeps in the fridge for a week without any problem. Let's go. We just slide the knife through. It glides right through because this dessert, besides being easy, is an absolute dream to work with. I'll take out the piece now with the spatula and show you the inside. Wow! Pure magic. You have to make this dessert. It's super easy.
Reese!
Ras! Beat that. Let me show you the cut, just to make you a little jealous, see? It looks amazing. And now, I'm really going in with the spoon. Look, see? Look! It looks amazing, springy, creamy. The texture of flan and the flavor of yogurt. It's wonderful. Make it. You'll leave your guests speechless. Guys, this is so good. It's amazing. Creaminess to the max. Super tasty, and it's hard to believe that it's something so simple. No oven, with so few ingredients. You have to make it at home. It's amazing. So good, man. Another piece for me. Thanks for coming. God willing. See you in the next video. I'll leave the ingredients for you over there, wherever you come in, also in the text box and throughout the video, so no one gets lost. Super easy recipe, and kids love it. It's so good. I'm finishing this one myself. Anyone who wants a piece better, hurry, it's so good.
Non più tra i farfallonia, night and day, turning day by day, no. Delle belle turbando al riposo, Narcisetto adocino d'amor. Delle belle turbando al riposo, Narcisetto adocino.